In a dense forest, all the animals and birds lived happily until a powerful hawk began troubling them by scaring small animals and stealing food. Everyone feared him, but a small sparrow named Gori decided to take a step, while her friends were too scared. Gori bravely confronted the hawk, telling him that his strength made everyone afraid of him, and no one respected or liked him. She suggested he use his strength to help others instead. Surprised by her courage, the hawk reflected on her words and decided to change. He stopped troubling others, apologized, and began helping the animals. Soon, he became their friend and protector. A peace returned to the forest. All animals thanks to Gori's bravery and truth. Moral: courage and truth can solve even the biggest problems.